Recycling by Neil Morris. That's garbage. Garbage is made up of things that we throw away because we do not want them anymore. It is also called waste. After you drink a drink, the bottle is garbage. We throw away all kinds of things. Our waste includes paper, glass bottles, metal, and plastic. Kitchen and garden waste and old clothes are also thrown away. What happens to our waste? General waste goes into bins, and these bins are emptied into special trucks. The trucks collect garbage from homes and schools. Garbage trucks take most of the waste to landfill sites. There, the waste is tipped into a big hole in the ground, and when the hole is full, the waste is buried. Some of our waste is burned in large furnaces, which are hot ovens called incinerators. The 3 R's. We can help produce less waste by putting the 3 R's into action. The letters stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing means cutting down on the waste in the first place. For example, we could use less packaging. Some foods are wrapped in plastic, but instead we could buy them without the packaging. We can also use things again instead of throwing them away. You could use a shoebox to store your special toys or drawings. Also, you could use an old jam jar for your pens or a pencil holder. Don't throw it away. When we throw things away, we waste the materials they are made from. It is better to recycle. Recycling makes a new product out of something that had been used before. When you go shopping, you can buy goods that have been recycled. Look for the symbol or the words that tell you that notepads, tissues, or toilet paper are made of recycled paper. New paper for old. Trees are turned into pulp, which is then used to make paper. It takes a lot of energy to turn wood into paper. We can save trees and energy by using pulp from recycled paper. When paper from books and newspapers is recycled, the ink must be removed. Soap is added to the pulp to wash the ink away. Some recycled paper is not as bright white as non-recycled paper. Saving glass. Glass bottles and jars can be recycled many times. At the recycling plant, they are crushed. Then the glass is heated so that it melts and it can be shaped to make new bottles. Different metals. Cans can be recycled too. Most drink cans are made of aluminum, and food cans are steel. The cans are separated when they are recycled, so the different metals do not mix together. There's a simple way to tell steel from aluminum. Hold a magnet against the can. If the magnet sticks to the can, it is probably made of steel. Aluminum is not magnetic. Plastic problems. Plastic is a strong, light material made from oil. The world is running out of oil, so we need to recycle as much plastic as possible or use other materials. We can all help the environment by using fewer plastic bags. Materials that last a long time, such as fabric, are better. Keep any plastic bags you are given so that you can reuse them. Green waste. Green waste comes from plants. It includes grass and leaves from the garden. Some green waste is made up of food leftovers such as fruit and vegetable scraps. Green waste can be recycled at home by making a compost heap or putting it into a compost bin. Over several months, the plants rot, making a crumbly material called compost, and gardeners can use the compost to grow new plants because it's full of goodness.